15 natural foods that excellently work like Viagra. Erection problem, or commonly known as erectile dysfunction, is a very serious topic in the medical field. Apparently, it can occur at any age but for various reasons such as diabetes, stress, anxiety, and depression, among many others. Moreover, side effects of certain medicines can also contribute to this issue. There are actually foods that can help you win the battle against the erection problem. 1. Pine nuts. Considered as a superfood, pine nuts can either be added to various food items or gobbled anytime you want. They have components, zinc being the primary component that can work up in boosting your desire for sex. 2. Pomegranate juice. This one here is called the fruit of perfection, and there is an absolute reason why. It is simply perfect for your libido and erectile problem. Thanks to its many antioxidants, this juice can wipe out all free radicals and toxins from your body. More importantly, it is so easy to prepare. 3. Black chocolate. When doing the deed, it is the cardiovascular system that is working very hard. Hence it is important for you to take care of it. Having a little amount of black chocolate is enough to boost the said system. 4. Bananas. If you want to enhance your sexual performance at a steady rate, then start consuming bananas. They contain an enzyme that is called bromelain. This is capable of increasing the production of sex hormones and boosts your body's energy levels for greater performance. 5. Avocado. Avocado is packed with folic acid that can increase your stamina in bed. Remember that it is rich in vitamin B6, also known as the hormone regulator. 6. Oysters. They are not called love drug for anything. And believe it or not, oysters were the favorite food of both Cleopatra and Casanova. This one here can boost your dopamine level at a significant rate. It is quite vital for better testosterone production. 7. Watermelon. Believed to be the new Viagra in town, watermelon releases effects that increase one's libido. Its citrulline amino acid helps improve your cardiovascular system and relaxes your blood vessels. 8. Asparagus. It is among the natural foods on the planet that is high in vitamin B known as folate. It supports in supplying your body's production of histamine. Keep in mind that the latter is very vital for a healthy drive in bed. It is perfect for both men and women. 9. Maca. Maca is dubbed as Peru's natural Viagra due to its history in the country's culture. It has been used as a food to increase an individual's strength, energy, fertility, stamina, and libido. 10. Pumpkin seeds. They are rich in zinc same as oysters. This makes them crucial for healthy sperm production in men, as well as preventing the possibility of testosterone deficiency. 11. Chilies. Thanks to their ingredient called capsaicin, chilies are capable of accelerating a person's sexual drive. And there is a reason why eating them makes you feel hot. That is due to the chemicals that raise the heart rate and generate the release of endorphins. 12. Garlic. It contains allicin, which produces heat that stirs up the libido. More importantly, it increases the blood flow in the body and thus improves the desire to do the deed. 13. Ginger. Apart from warming your blood, ginger is also proven to improve the blood inflow in sexual organs. So, if you want to work it out tonight, you better sip a cup of ginger tea beforehand. 14. Almonds. If you are looking to resolve fertility issues, then eating almonds is the best way to go. They are rich in zinc and selenium, which are vital for improved reproductive health. 15. Coconut water. It is worth noting that human blood significantly consists of electrolytes. Apparently, the latter can also be acquired from coconut water. It does not only improve your blood flow, but it also serves as an aphrodisiac. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.